Hi friends, I have received this Ayurvedic capsule around 5 days back. This is something every man should try. I strongly believe in Ayurveda. On Amazon, there are many Ayurvedic capsules available at a high price, but this is something I found worthily. This capsule contains some essential and important herbals that helps you lot in men's health. Product description does not explain much about benefits. This is not only premature ejaculation but affect overall men's health. Here I would like to mention few points. Quality. Quality seems to be great. 100% natural, non-GMO and gluten-free product. No fillers, no blinders, no artificial ingredients in this product. I am using this since 5 days and I feel more energetic than earlier. Packaging. I got in safe condition. Also there are two seals, first on the cap and second inside the cap, that ensure the capsules are original. Type. This capsule contains some important herbs like ashwagandha, silajit, daksura, pipali, mukuna, jatamunsi, anantamul, haritaki and amla that can change any man's sex life. I got 120 capsules. Benefits. Don't expect that it will increase your penis size. Nothing can increase your penis size. This capsule can help you to keep energetic throughout the day, helping premature ejaculation, improving sex performances, increasing the production of hormones, etc. I don't think this could have a side effects. I am taking 2 capsules after breakfast and 2 capsules after dinner. For me, this is effective. If it is fit in your budget, then go for it. This product VigoForce, Vitality and Vigour men's health, one of the finest, safest and effective product due to follow it into changing lifestyle, lack of proper nutrition, stress, environmental factors. There is a rapid decrease in sperm count among males, which is the root cause of many problems such as infertility, erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, lack of energy, low libido and many more similar problems. But due to lack of knowledge and maximum people not comfortable to discuss about this problem growing in rapid numbers among males. But it's like a miracle because this product VigoForce, Vitality and Vigour men's health, this problem will no longer exist with regular course of this capsule without any side effects in a short span of time. I would like to appreciate the VigoForce company for making easy and safe solution to many problems under one product. Friends, don't think twice, just go for it. You will definitely feel better even from past things. Go for these capsules and live like a man, be a real man.